Thoughts create reality. You must have read this everywhere. Many successful people have experienced this and conveyed this message to you. This message appeared in front of me today in the morning when I woke up early and went cycling. I came back home and thought about reading a book. I picked up As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. I have read this book before, but every time I read it, my mind focuses on it in a different way, and many of my doubts get answered by reading it. This book is similar to Neville Goddard's teachings. It's not like I didn't know these things before, but it gave me a new direction, and everything became bright. Let me give you an example that will help you through your journey to achieve your goals and live a complete and prosperous life. Suppose there is a piece of land that is not maintained by anyone. What do you think would be the condition of this piece of land? Well, weeds would start growing there. The garden would be filled with unnecessary plants that would not give you any fruits or flowers. They would continue to grow and blossom unless you, the gardener, paid attention to them. You would have to plant the seeds of the fruits and flowers that you desire to experience. You have to maintain this piece of land in such a manner that these new seeds grow into a healthy plant that gives you what you require. You have to remove the weeds and prune the plants on a regular basis. It seems so simple, right? Indeed, it is. I know the majority of you already know this. This can be implemented in your life too when manifesting your desires and changing your circumstances. Your mind is that piece of land that has to be filled with the seeds that give you joy, love, success, prosperity, and wealth. These seeds are just your thoughts. Your thoughts are the cause of your actions. You have access to your thoughts before you take any action. Your circumstances are shaped by your thoughts. The thoughts you entertain today become your future circumstances. The thoughts are just like seeds that become plants and give you flowers and fruits. Have you ever seen or heard a rose seed produce a lemon? No, right. A rose seed will always produce roses. A lemon seed will always produce lemons. It is the law of nature. If the kind of thoughts you entertain and nurture every day are positive, then they will always give you a positive outcome. A negative thought would not give you any positive results, and vice versa. So, choosing a thought is essential to building a wonderful life. Thoughts build your character. Your character takes actions and attracts the kind of circumstances in which it can perform. You never get what you want, but what you are. Just today, if you altered your thoughts to a greater extent towards your work, people, and the world, you would experience a change in circumstances from today onwards. People are always fighting their circumstances, which are just the effects. The cause is within them. The cause is their inner man. This man is the sum total of the thoughts they nurture, which are called beliefs. Instead of fighting their circumstances, a man should change the cause, which is his nature of thoughts. Everything will work out for you. It is not hard work. It seems hard to some because the thoughts they have been having for a long time have formed a pattern that is running within them unconsciously. When they break this pattern, it seems uncomfortable, but it is necessary to go beyond their limitations. Break that pattern that is keeping you stuck. You should welcome the change in life. From morning to night, you are thinking, and this thinking is shaping your life. So always start by choosing your thoughts. Start selecting your thoughts. Just for a day, try to observe what you are thinking and just change the thoughts that are of a negative nature. You would encounter many thoughts that seem unfavorable, but don't worry. They come and go. You just don't have to indulge in them. You have to go beyond them by choosing other thoughts. This practice of yours will give you immense results. Every thought seed sown or allowed to fall into the mind and to take root there produces its own, blossoming sooner or later into action and bearing its own fruitage of opportunity and circumstance. Good thoughts bear good fruit. Bad thoughts bear bad fruit. So, which seeds are you sowing or allowing today? Comment below. With this, I hope it has helped you in some way. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.